My favorite expansion for this series. The few times we have played with the lab challenge it seemed as it was easier to find cures. Possibly because you're not dependent on having 5 city cards to find a cure, you only need 3, so you can use the extra to travel and such. It is a good way to introduce the Virulent Stain challenge. Bought this as a gift for my husband. Initially the pieces and the instructions were a little intimidating, but laying everything out just like it is in the diagram really helped. Took about an hour to put together. The joints are a very tight fit and only needed wood glue on one tiny little piece. Very well made box. It's great for this game. We love it. Highly recommend it. I love Pandemic. It's my all-time fav, after getting Iberia, State of Emergency, and Rising Tide and Cthulhu. I got this in the lab. This is a fantastic addition and I'd say second to original Pandemic. It really sticks close with the Outbreak theme but adds more challenges and cubes. Iberia would be my third. For artistic design and staying with original theme but going back in time a bit, making a few things change such as travel in the lab expands on Pandemic. So if you love it, get this next. I have not felt disappointed by this at all. The lab expansion does a great job of removing one of the very few issues with Pandemic. That is the randomness of card draws and the pain of sharing cards between characters. It does so by turning the curing of a disease from a card collection into a puzzle involving infection treatment and curing, because you need samples of diseases to find cures, which makes sense from a thematic perspective. It means that you are more likely to focus on curing diseases which have spread, as opposed to those for which you managed to collect enough cards. That is in the base game. This makes the game more strategic, more thematic, and less luck driven. I have played twice, with no success, while I usually win in the base game.